Hello. So now we are going to execute this program and see how this solution works. And for that, I'll just click on run and set the parameters, and we will see how the result is coming up. First of all, I'll change the industry to, let's say, pharmaceuticals. Recipient email, let it be there. Time frame 4. Target audience senior leaders. Number of posts 2. Schedule duration 2. So, what does this mean? Let's look at these numbers here. It says research and identify top 10 trending topics, hashtags, and conversations in the pharmaceuticals industry over the past 4 weeks. You remember? So, you can note here 4 weeks. This is the time frame coming from here. Pharmaceuticals is the parameter that comes from industry parameter. Similarly, the other ones like senior leaders is from the audience parameter. And how many engaging social media posts? Two posts. Two posts per platform, including complete captions, hashtags, strategies, and other details. So this is how we provide the parameters and set the program to run. I will click on execute now. So now we can see the execution is complete. The execution is complete on so and so date and time. We have this tab of raw data that talks more about how this execution completed with further details. For example, prompt tokens, total number of tokens used, how did a specific agent work, and what all happened during execution. On the left hand side panel here, it talks about the event details and their timeline. We have 5 agents, and each of these agents had one task in hand. Trend research specialist had one task. Social media analytics specialist had one. Let's expand this. You can see the trail here. Research industry trends agent. It started its execution, called LLM, searched the internet with SERPer tool, and completed. It took total of 22 seconds. Now, why these timings are important? These timings indicate how much time does an agent take to complete or the execution. This will help us improve the performance of the system. Real time, the systems are more complex. They may take more time, and it is directly related to end users' expectations, experience. That's where the operations team can monitor these timings and, if necessary, can fine tune the agentic AI system. If I expand the other agents, similarly, you can see their sequence of actions and the timings. So, all these agents completed their task, completed the execution without any error. Now we have enough evidence that the execution is complete and the program is in a position to be deployed. Once the program is deployed, it will be available for the end users to use through one or other user interface. But before that, we will do some more testings if the results are as per the expectation or not. Let's discuss that in the next chapter. Thank you.